Hi friends, today we'll learn to draw Rise style ShahRukh Khan, quick and easy way. So let's get started. Start with a straight line. After that, two small lines like this. Then a slanting line downwards. Then again a vertical line. After that, again a slanting line. Now two vertical lines. And close it off. So that's the basic face shape. After that, towards the right end, select this point, and then from the middle of this vertical line, start drawing a heart kind of shape. After that, let's learn to draw the eyebrows, and for that you should try practicing this a tick shape, kind of like Nike symbol, and then a line like this, a tick and this. So where this vertical line starts, almost straight to that, a tick and downwards. Then let's learn to draw the nose. A slanting line like this and a flat circle, and after that this is how we are going to draw the nose. Yeah, let's first draw the ears till this slanting line. And the nose extends till the ears ending, straight to this line. Now let's draw the beard. Draw a line like this and then draw a straight line and with a slight curve at the end, a slightly smiling face. Then let's start with the eyes. The eye starts from the eyebrows ending, this bend of the tick, and it extends till the end of the eyebrow. Now let's give a calm looking eyeball. Just half the eyeball. And for the lower eye, you should make it thick. For the kajal, not kajol, kajal. Next, you could give some detailing to the hair. I simply love ShahRukh Khan's hair. Next, starting from this point, draw a line like this, a light line, and here draw something like this. And on the other side, give some buttons. And if you want, you could also give a line like this. Now let's detail a bit, and if you want, you could make a rough background. And finish it off with a box. I hope you learn to draw ShahRukh Khan. So take a paper and start drawing. Thank you for watching, and bye.